Explorers! Today, I'm feeling a little upset. Have you ever felt that way too? When something goes wrong, big feelings can stay in our hearts for a while. But maybe staying upset isn't the answer. Maybe I can think about what happened. I'll take a deep breath, calm my body, and try to make things better. Oh, that reminds me of today's word reconcile. Reconcile means to make peace again after a problem or disagreement. When we reconcile, we can say sorry, be kind, and try to fix what's happened. And when we choose peace, our hearts can feel lighter and happier again. Now it's your turn. Can you think of a time when you reconciled with someone? Great job, Explorer! Remember, reconcile means to make peace again. See you on our next word adventure.
For more cartoon stories and advanced English vocabulary, and to build the skills you need for exam success, visit VocabCartoons.com. Cartoons, quizzes, and games that help you learn fast. Start free.